Hello guys, today I am going to review Samsung's latest Frame TV 2021 which was launched in June, and this is the first time Samsung launched Frame TV in 43 inches size. So the TV which you are seeing in this video is actually a 43-inch Frame TV. You must be knowing that the unique selling point of this TV is its no gap wall mount. So you can see the gap between the wall and this TV is quite minimal. So the wall mount which is used to hang this TV on wall is called slim wall mount, which creates very minimal gap between the TV and the wall. So the TV then looks like a photo frame which is hanged on a wall. And the most beautiful part of this TV is its bezel. You can see the white bezel around this TV, and these are detachable bezels, and you can choose the color and design of these bezels as per your choice. There are several varieties which are available separately for these Samsung Frame TV. I got these bezels free of cost along with this TV as an introductory offer. Otherwise, the MRP which I see of these bezels is around 5,500. And these are magnetic bezels and comes in 4 pieces and can be attached around the TV and are being manufactured by Samsung only. This TV is available both on Amazon and Flipkart. You can buy that from these two sites. In offline stores right now it is not available, but I'm sure that after some time it will be available in offline stores also. Now talking about the quality of TV, especially the display, which is the key aspect of any TV. This TV's display is a QLED display. I'm not sure if you know about this or not, but QLED display is mostly available in the sizes of 50 inches TV or more. Samsung is, I think, the only brand which is giving QLED panel, QLED display in 43 inches TV. And you can see the display is extremely good. The quality of video is very good. And the video which I have played here is a 4K video on YouTube, and you can see the quality of this video. Now let me show you its other feature. So unlike other popular TV brands or even the low cost Chinese brand, in Samsung it has its own operating system known as Tizen. So this is a Tizen operating system, and if I compare it with the Android operating system, I don't see any major drawback in having this operating system. It's very easy to operate, and all the popular apps are there in this operating system, and very easy to operate. And if you want to change anything, you don't need to pause your video. That's the thing which I liked about this particular OS. Now talking about the apps which are available in this Tizen operating system. So you can see all popular apps are available: YouTube, Netflix, Sony Live, Prime Video, Hotstar, YouTube Kids, Z5, DocuBay, Woot, Apple TV, Spotify, Internet, and it has 3 voice operating system. Google is available here. It can be operated by Alexa also, and it has its own in-house Samsung's voice operating system called Bixby. So you can choose among these 3, Alexa, Google and Bixby, which one of these 3 you want to use to operate your TV through your voice commands.
What about Amazon Story Time? Or you can ask for more options.
And these are the apps which I had downloaded, and now
Sorry,
these are the.
I didn't get that. Would you like to try Amazon's?
So these are the categories of apps, and if you see the video categories, all these apps are available. The only app which I use and I couldn't find on this Tizen operating system is Discovery Plus app. Otherwise, all major popular video apps are available in this operating system. So the point is, while it is not having the Android operating system, but it is not a major drawback, because all other things which we generally expect from Android operating system are available in this TV. Now coming to the major USP of Frame TV, which is the art mode. So I just changed TV's mode from TV mode to art mode. You can see artwork which is there. Now the feature of this artwork is you can display any artwork or wallpaper which is available as an option in this artwork, and you can display it as a photo frame. Now if this TV has a motion sensor, so if somebody is not there in this room for 3 minutes or more, the TV will automatically switched off. If somebody will come back in the room, it will turn on. So it will save power and still it will look like a photo frame. Now you must be wondering if we can have our own photo art or any photograph of our choice as part of this app. The answer is yes, you can download photos from internet, you can have your own photograph and can display it on this TV as art mode. So this particular art I had downloaded from Google and then uploaded it into TV. So there is an app called Samsung Things. Through that app you can transfer any photograph from your mobile to the TV. So you can see that all these wallpapers I downloaded and then transferred it to this TV. See, and when you choose any picture to show as art in this art mode, there are various options also which are available. So there is a photo filter, you can change the picture through this filter, or you can keep it in the original mode. Then other option is the mount option. Yeah. So what kind of frame you want? So you can give different frames also to the photograph. Like in this particular picture, I chose this frame. Now instead of full picture, it is being shown as a frame. So all these options are available in this Samsung Frame TV, and it has its own art gallery which you can subscribe. But the thing is, it is a paid one, and the charges which Samsung is charging for this, I don't think it worth. Let me show what are the tariffs for this. Yeah. So Samsung charged 299 rupees for 30 days and almost 3000 rupees for 12 months subscription of its art gallery. But you don't need to subscribe this art gallery, because you can download 4K wallpapers from Google and then you can transfer it to this TV. These can be saved in the TV because it has 16 GB memory, and then you can use those artwork free of cost. So I have downloaded all these 4K wallpaper from Google and I am using it without paying anything. See, Now the most important part, one of the most important part of any TV, it is its remote control. Now you see the remote control of this TV. It's a very sleek remote control, and it has a shortcut for Netflix, Amazon Prime, and it has also option for Samsung Video. A very few button, and then these shortcuts, and this audio command thing. One important and the most unique feature of this remote is this solar panel. So this remote can be charged to through the light of the room, and you can also charge it through a cable. So it doesn't have detachable batteries or cells. So very small sleek remote, you can see here, and very easy to use. Now some other features of this TV. This TV has a very intelligent, unique picture control mode. Let me show you. Yeah, this is called intelligent mode. So if it is off, then it will show you pictures with the brightness, contrast, sharpness, and all other things as per the level which you have set. But if you switch on this intelligent mode, then all the dimensions of picture, be it contrast, color, sharpness, brightness, everything will be according to the light of the room. So it has a very small sensor over here at the bottom of this TV. You can see it here. So it senses light of the room and accordingly changes the picture quality, brightness, contrast, sharpness, and all other parameters of the picture, so that there will be not a lot of pressure on your eyes. So guys, this is the TV. While I liked all the features and the look of this TV, one thing which I am not satisfied about this TV is the sound of this TV. The sound of this TV is very ordinary. It has just 20-watt sound, and the bass is very normal. The kind of price which you pay for this TV, you might expect little more than what it is offering. Otherwise, rest everything is fine. The TV is beautiful. The most amazing thing about this TV is its look and its display. Thank you guys, and if you have any question about this TV, please put that in the comment box. I will try to answer all of your questions and comments. Thank you so much. Bye.